How to verify your Discord account. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. To verify your Discord account, first open a browser. Search for discord.com. Press enter on your keyboard. Click open Discord and sign in to your account. Now click on user setting icon at bottom left and under this user setting go ahead and click on my account. Scroll down. So we already have verified our email. If you wish to verify your phone number, click on add button. Now enter your phone number and you will receive a text message with the verification code. And after that, you need to simply verify it using the 6-digit codes. So let's enter and click on send button. Now you need to simply confirm that you are not a robot by check marking I am a human box. Now enter the 6-digit code that has been sent to your phone number. You can easily check your phone and enter it. Now you have to enter your password to confirm the changes. And after that, you will successfully verify your Discord account. You can follow the same step for your email address as well. So I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.